Jai Srimannarayana. 51st sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karmajam buddhiyukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmuktaah padam gachanti anamayam. Om. Art of true living is performing all your activities perfectly, remaining in equanimity with success or failure. Abandon the anxiety for the results. Then you are called as Karma Yogi. You will enjoy the state that is beyond all sufferings. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall perform all my activities perfectly with an equanimity towards success or failure. I shall not be anxious for the results. I shall enjoy the state that is beyond all sufferings. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Ambarisha along with his wife performed Dvadasi Vratam for 1 year long and then went to Yamuna river, did Snanam in there and did Aradhana to Srimannarayana. And also he did Abhishekam, Maha Abhisheka Vidhina Sarva Upaskara Sampada. Ambarisha offered Abhishekam to Srimannarayana. After that, he also worshipped all the devotees of Srimannarayana. He did Godanam. He gave so many cows to Brahmanas, and then Vastras, garments, ornaments to all the devotees of Paramatma. And then he also gave food, meals to Brahmanas. After he made sure that all the Brahmanas are very much satisfied, pleased, then Ambarisha gave Dakshina to all the Brahmanas, and took their permission, and Ambarisha and his wife about to take prasadam in order to withdraw that Dwadasi Vratam, Ekadasi Vratam. Right exactly at that time, Sakshat Durvasaha Bhagavan Abhut. They were about to eat. Then Durvasa Mahamuni, such a great yogi, came over there. Immediately Ambarisha welcomed Durvasa Mahamuni, offered Simhasanam, did all services, sat at the feet of Muni and requested him to eat food. Then Durvasa Mahamuni felt very happy and he said, "Let me go and take bath and do my Sandhya Vandanam and come back." Like that he said, and he went to Yamuna river. There, while doing Japam, Durvasa Mahamuni spent such a long time. But here, that Dwadasi, the Thidi, is now about to end. Before that ends, Ambarisha and his wife supposed to take prasadam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 51st sloka. Karmajam buddhi yukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gacchanti anamayam. Karmajam buddhi yukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gacchantyanamayam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.